Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Max from Stranger Things 4. So let's get started. To draw cute Max, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now that I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. So just draw two little curves right on the sides and one over here. Then from there, let's go ahead on top, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve for her brow, just very lightly, and just slightly thicken them up. And same thing over here, just a soft curve. There. And let's give Max a sweet smile. So in between her eyes, about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a slight curve that goes upwards and cap it off. Then now that we have that, let's go back and we're going to draw her face. So let's come back to the top of her eye, very close to it, and say about right here. Give myself a point, and actually on this side it's going to be a little bit lower. So I'm just going to start from this side because she has a strand of hair. So let's come down. So if we're drawing a bottom of a U, and I'll find my center, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and from there I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. Bring it down towards my point, and then I'm going to go up on this side. Drawing the same thing towards very close. And to about right here, maybe the center of her eye, I'll stop. There. Okay, so then now that I've framed her face, I'm going to just imagine this as an oval. So about, say, right here, I'll just give myself a point right in the center. From there, let's go ahead and using this point, I'm going to bring a curve down. So come down, and we're going to go right back to where we started with her face. And then on this side, we're going to draw that strand of hair. So let's come right here, and let's see, we're going to come out, and about right here, I'll curve in towards her eye and come out. And so then let's come back. Let's see here. This is my center. I'm going to come out with a curve, and then this strand is going to come out a little bit more. So about right here. I'm going to thicken up that strand and just follow. And I'll stop there for now because I want to draw her body first before I finish that strand of hair. Now let's come back to where her eye is, and about right here where we started, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve for her ear and draw some details inside. And then we can come right back to the center, go up, so say about right here. I'm going to curve out on both sides, and this is where I'm going to come down towards her ear right here. And I'll wobble a little bit because her hair is slightly curly, and just bring it in. Just slightly. And so same thing on this side. I think we might see part of her ear, so let's bring something about here, and since we might see it, so I'm just going to draw that little curve right there if you have room. And then once again, I'm just going to wobble a little bit and come down towards that area. Now just come in here and just draw some party lines for some detail, and we can finish the rest of her hair a little bit later. Let's work on her outfit first. So right in the middle, let's give her a little neck, and I'm going to bring it out for her shoulders. Same thing here. neck, and then come out for her shoulders. Then from there, let's give her, let's find kind of like where her armpit area would be. So let's say about here and here. And I'll go ahead and draw a slight angle line out. There, so we know where we're working with. So in this area, let's go ahead, we're going to give her collar first for her shirt inside. So we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to thicken it up with a collar. And then she has this jacket that she's wearing, so I'm going to bring out this curve that comes towards the center, and we're going to bring it down towards the center. So same thing here, towards the center. And let's come back and we're going to draw the collar and just bring it in and bring it in. And for some details, you can come right here, draw 2 angles for her shirt, and I'm just going to go ahead, since I'm here, lightly draw this pattern. Oh goodness, maybe I should have done this on a computer. There. Okay, so we have that pattern. It shouldn't be this thick, but I just wanted to show you, and then bring this straight down. So then now let's continue her jacket. We're going to keep going, and about right here I'll pop it out a little bit and then bring it in, so it's a little bit baggy towards the bottom. And let's bring this all the way down, and about right here is where I'm going to just wobble a little bit and connect. Then let's come back right here inside, draw a little line, and then once again connect for her jacket. And then let's come straight down, so say about right here in the middle. I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. So this is where her legs are going to start, so let's come out with 2 lines, and let's come back to her hips and here. Okay, so then now I'm just going to work on this one leg first. And I'm just going to bring it down to an angle to say about right here. It's just a very simple pair of pants and nothing fancy. We're just going to go down, making the bottom part a little bit thinner, and go ahead and just connect. So same thing here. There, and I'm just going to give her a very simple pair of shoes. So just come down and we're going to curve out and connect. So same thing here. Curve out a little bit and then connect. And let's come in here with sole, curve, and you know what, let's just simplify it, and 2 curves. There. Okay, so then for some details, we can come back up here, draw a line, another line that angles in, some pockets perhaps, for some detail, and then let's draw her sleeves. So we're just going to have her hands to her side to simplify everything, and we're just going to come down, and they're a little bit poofier towards the bottom, so I want her hands about this area. So I'm just going to use this, so don't have to draw too much, and I'm just going to poof it out a little bit right about there and connect. And then a little cuff right here, and her hand. So come right here, draw a thumb, round it off, and then fingers. And we can draw some curves right here and finish this jacket off. About right there. So let's do the same thing on this side. So once again, about right here. Just make sure her hand's about the same length. And we're going to pop this out a little bit and bring it in. And then a little cuff and her hands. So thumb, brown, and come right back in. There. And let's see, for some details on her jacket, she has this pocket part right here. So she's going to come right across, curve out, and just bring it in. And bring it in. And then there's some stripes. You can do this when you're coloring, but I just wanted to show you. There's one stripe right over the pocket. And then a stripe on the sleeves. There. And I'll put a heart right here before I forget to make her my Draw So Cute Max. And then now to finish her hair. So I'm just going to bring this down right above her shoulder and finish off that one strand. And right, looking at my camera, I kind of have her forehead a little high, right? So about right there. And one strand here. And you add another small one in the back. Maybe one that comes out about right here. Just to change it up. And then she has some hair because it's in a ponytail. So we're just going to make it look like a ponytail. Just add a curve right there. And then maybe another curve here and just wobble in. So at least that way we know her hair is tied up in the back. And that is pretty much it. If you wanted, you could even put her headphones right here. Just put two little ovals right here and then connect it into her pocket. But I thought maybe that might be too complicated for today. But I really hope I helped you draw Max here from Stranger Things 4. And definitely check out my new 11 as well. And let me know in the comments below what other characters you would want me to draw from this new season. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.